Welcome. We're looking at that reflection, and we're going to see what is the format, what's the method that we use in that writing. It's actually a more general method. It's called the sandwich method. You know, like a hamburger. Like a big old sandwich. And the bread on either side of the sandwich is the introduction and the conclusion. And this is a common method of presenting in academic work. And it's what's expected in an American environment, is that you'll start by introducing the topic. You'll go through the details, that's the meat. Then you'll recapitulate, you'll review again at the end. That's the bread. If you look at mine, let me read it to you. It says, the size of Tulane's police force, as reporting and keeping us secure, makes me feel both safe and apprehensive. Alright, and I explicitly, that's my thesis, that's the topic sentence of the paragraph, and I explicitly listed what it is I'm reflecting on. Otherwise people don't know. So you have to put in exactly what you're reflecting on. And then my thesis is it's big, and that makes me feel two different ways. Alright, the second sentence develops the idea of it's big. It says, with over 100 officers, the Tulane's police force is larger than some cities. Boom. So I'm developing that idea. That focuses on that one point of the report that I'm interested in. The next one says, at first, this reaction makes me feel safe because 100 trained staff sounds like more than enough to protect us. Alright, that's my development of the safe feeling. My third one is, upon further reflection, I wonder about the safety of a world where schools and universities have to create their own security in addition to that provided by the city, parish, and state. That's my reflection of the apprehension. Finally, the conclusion. While security can make us safe, it can also reveal underlying tensions in society. Alright, and so each one of those sentences had a purpose. They weren't just randomly put in there to fill up space. And each one had a format. It was the bread, the introduction, the conclusion, and the meat was a development of those ideas and the thesis. So I would expect yours to have the same, right? If you're going to do a good reflection, it should have a similar format. Now some people will say, well, I don't have room. You know, I don't have room to develop all these ideas in this space. Well, that's the trick. That's the trick of good writing, is to have to do what you can in the space that you're given. Thanks.